take you guys on a ride with me on my F800 GS. It's been a little while since I rode this. You guys probably know I've been fighting my audio, trying to get it right. Still fighting that audio. Take a run to Best Buy and get one of those Rode lavalier helm lights. Boy, what a difference it feels riding a Harley as to riding this. I need to check my tires. I got on this. I haven't ridden this for 3 months. I need to check my tires. Man, this little thing is sweet to handle though, I'll tell you. Sweet to handle. Oh, that's good. That's good and hard. I got on it and didn't even check the tires. It's been like 3 months. Yeah, plenty of air in them tires. It is a fun bike to ride. I think there's a little dirt track right here. A little section, if it's not gated. Let's see. No gate. No chain. We don't like chains. What, they blacktopped this? This wasn't blacktop before. I need to turn the ABS off. Probably get arrested for riding here. This is a subdivision that's getting developed. I don't know where this goes. Oh, that makes a big difference. Do a little motocross start. Somebody, cop will probably come down here and arrest me. Way to warm it up. Guys and girls, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you would. Of course, I do appreciate that. I'm going to have a bunch more videos coming up. As you guys know, I've been struggling to find a rifle range to go to that I can shoot some freedom seeds out to past 700 yards. So I finally found and joined the it's called the Clinton House Plantation in Clinton, South Carolina. I went down there yesterday. Looked it all over and joined up. So you can shoot up to 1,000 yards. And then on, I think the second and third Saturdays of each month, they have what's called Mile Day. So you can shoot a mile. which a mile is 1,760 yards, which I've never shot that far. But I know my 6.5 Creed will shoot out that far, and I've got it pretty much tuned up, so it should. The big deal is the velocity it's shooting at is 2,750 feet per second, which I'd really like to hit 3,000 feet per second. Because if you don't have enough velocity when it gets downrange, the bullet will start tumbling and you'll lose your accuracy. I know it'll shoot out to 1,500 yards without the bullet starting to tumble, but I don't know about a mile. This bike feels like a toy compared to the Harley when you're riding it. Just so light, maneuverable. But I'll tell you, when you get on the trails, it don't feel light, because it is a heavy bike for trails. Yeah, big difference in this, riding this bike. As compared to the Harley, you can tell it's half the horsepower, a third less weight. I don't know how much this weighs. Probably weighs, I would think it weighs 400, probably 450, I think, empty, with these empty. This right here is a dangerous intersection right here. This is one of those intersections that when you're on a bike, don't ever blast through an intersection like this. You've got all 4 lanes can turn left or right. You never know what anybody's going to do, what they're thinking, what they're looking at on their phone. Just seen in a paper last night where a guy on a Honda, I think it was, got killed because a car was turning into a private drive. Ran right in front of him. That car turned right in front of him, killed him, dead at the site. Got to be always paying attention to the bike. You never know what the other person's thinking or doing. Like I said in one video, well, my last video, I think I grew up racing motocross, riding dirt my whole life. I went through a stage when I didn't have a bike, of course, but I raced motocross, raced pro amateur, about 6 years, and then joined the Marine Corps. Joined the Marine Corps in '82, and I'm not kidding you, I went through withdrawals for racing. I was so into it. I mean, to this day, I can watch a motocross race on TV and frickin' just cold chills, you know, tightening up. What I was getting to about starting out racing motocrossing in the dirt is truly, I think that's where everybody should start. If you got a child, young child, start them out on a bike, dirt bike. I mean, you get so much, I mean, just to be able to use your brakes properly, it just teaches you so much about control. How to control your bike during any situation, especially racing, you know, there's a difference between riding dirt and actually racing. There's a thing called race ready, that if you don't, you can go to a track and practice, but it's nothing like the real thing. When you're in a race, you're 110% all the time, and that's what it takes, you know. But I don't know where that's heading, but it's true. Let's go in here and buy us a lapel mic. See if we can finally get this audio squared away. Pisses me off. $80 for a mic. You know, I don't know what happened to GoPro, but you can't find anything GoPro anymore. Look at this. I mean, they ain't got nothing. A few little things on the shelf. This is my next investment. I'm not sure which one I'll get yet. Rode must be pretty proud of this lapel mic. 85 bucks. We'll see if it makes $85 worth of audio difference.